All right, problem 1b, same idea. Want to write the equation of the tangent line. In order to do so, we need to find the point and the slope. So to find the point, we need to plug in our x value, which is 20. So we'll get the square root of 20 minus 4 equals square root of 16 equals 4. So we have our point at 20, comma, 4. Now we need to find our slope m. And to do so, we're going to use the limit process. So our slope m will equal the limit as x approaches our x value, which is 20, times the square root of x minus 4, our function, minus the y value, which is 4, divided by x minus the x value, which is 20. So we can't just plug in 20, because we get 0 over 0, indeterminate form, so we need to do some algebraic trickery to rewrite this function. So x minus 4 over x minus 20. I'm going to need to multiply this thing by the conjugate of the numerator. So square root of x minus 4 plus 4 over square root of x minus 4 plus 4. And the awesome thing about conjugates is that you get the first thing squared. So that square root of x minus 4 squared gets rid of the square root. So we get an x minus 4 minus the second thing squared. Well, the second thing is 4. 4 squared is 16. So that all divided by our x minus 20 divided by square root of x minus 4 plus 4, that conjugate. Well, look what we have. X minus 4 minus 16. Well, minus 4 and minus 16 is a minus 20. So we get an x minus 20 in the top. In the bottom, we have an x minus 20. Those are going to cancel, so we're only left with our conjugate in the bottom, square root of x minus 4 plus 4. When that x minus 20 gets canceled from the top, we'll be left with a 1 up there. So we can rewrite this limit as the limit as x approaches 20 with that whole removed. So 1 divided by the conjugate, square root of x minus 4 plus 4. Now we can directly substitute in. So 1 over square root of 20 minus 4 plus 4. 20 minus 4 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 over 8 is our slope m. So we know our point, we know our slope. All we need to do now is write the equation. It's time for class. So y minus our y value, 4, equals our slope m, which is 1/8, times x minus our x value, which is 20. So you can totally stop right there, or if you want to, you could put it into slope-intercept form. So solve for y. Y equals 1/8 x minus 20/8. Add that 4 over, which is a 32/8. Can you tell class is about to start? It is loud in here. So 1/8 x minus 20 plus 32 is a plus 12/8. So if you're fancy, you could say y equals 1/8 times x plus 12, which is nice because then you know your x-intercept is at negative 12. Or you could say y equals 1/8 x plus 12/8 is the same as 3/2. Divide both of those by 4, so plus 3/2. All of these totally 100% acceptable. But again, unless it asked you to, I would stop at point slope form. Shout out to Tanner.